So next up, guys, very nice machine here. So this is a 2023 Polaris RZR, be an XP 1000. So yeah, basically brand new. Only 21 hours, 270 miles. Local guy brought this in. Actually, has a couple of different side-by-sides. Sounds like him and the kids were using them, and then now the kids all got their own, and just looking to sell a couple of them. So, but this one, you're not going to find one really any cleaner. Pretty much like brand new machine. It does have the adjustable racing shocks or whatever. We can kind of zoom in on those here. Walker Evans there. Right up on it though, guys. I mean, it's just like the day it drove off the dealer lot. So there is extra parts and attachments that can come with it. I think some like side rails, a rear bumper, some things like that. We'll have pictures of that with the listing. But I'm here with Garrett. He's gonna fire it up. We'll get you a nice video. Starts up easy. Got a nice sunny day. You can kind of see it's kind of that two-tone black, kind of flat black and a gloss black look. Four-wheel drive, guys, obviously. Trail ride, all sorts of stuff. But it takes off, and it's a fast machine. No, it's pretty fun to ride. So there's just a quick demo, guys. I mean, everything runs on it like new. So this demo on 2023